Pharmaceutical company QOL Medical LLC, QOL, and its CEO and co-owner, Frederick E. Cooper, have agreed to pay $47 million to settle allegations that they violated the False Claims Act and state laws by offering illegal kickbacks to boost sales of their drug, Sucred. Sucrate is an FDA-approved medication used to treat congenital sucrase isomaltase deficiency, CSID, a rare genetic disorder that causes digestive issues. Starting in 2018, QOL, under Cooper's direction, provided free carbon-13 breath test kits to healthcare providers, encouraging them to test patients with gastrointestinal symptoms. QOL falsely claimed the test could confirm or rule out CSID, despite the fact that the test does not specifically diagnose the condition. Around 30% of these tests showed low sucrase activity, which could be caused by other conditions. QOL paid a lab to analyze the tests and report results to doctors while also sharing the data with QOL, excluding patient names but including provider details and patient demographics. This information was given to QOL's sales team, who used it to target healthcare providers with marketing efforts to prescribe Sucred. Sales representatives were also instructed to misrepresent the test's ability to diagnose CSID. In 2019, training materials reviewed by Cooper falsely suggested that patients with a positive breath test would only improve if treated with Sucrade. As part of the settlement, QOL and Cooper acknowledged certain facts leading to the resolution. Officials from the Department of Justice, FBI, and other federal agencies emphasized that kickback schemes undermine the integrity of healthcare programs, compromise medical decisions, and contribute to unnecessary healthcare spending. The case was initially filed under the False Claims Act by 4 former QOL employees as whistleblowers, who will receive approximately $8 million from the federal portion of the settlement. Of the total $47 million settlement, about $43.6 million will go to federal healthcare programs and $3.4 million to state Medicaid programs. Types of fraud committed: kickback scheme, providing free goods, breath tests to healthcare providers as an inducement for prescribing Sucrade. False Claims Act violation, submitting or causing the submission of false claims to federal healthcare programs. Misrepresentation of medical testing, falsely marketing a test as a diagnostic tool for CSID when it was not scientifically validated for that purpose. Improper influence on prescriptions, using misleading sales tactics to pressure doctors into prescribing an expensive drug. Unlawful marketing practices, encouraging healthcare providers to use an unapproved method to diagnose patients and track test results for sales purposes. Ways to detect this type of fraud: unusual sales patterns, monitoring whether prescription rates for a particular drug increase disproportionately following the distribution of free products. Misleading marketing practices, reviewing sales materials and marketing claims for accuracy and compliance with medical guidelines. Ties between testing and prescriptions, investigating whether free diagnostic tests are being used as a tool to generate drug prescriptions. Kickback investigations, auditing financial transactions between pharmaceutical companies, healthcare providers, and testing labs. Whistleblower reports, encouraging employees to report suspicious activities related to inducements and improper marketing. Government audits and enforcement actions, conducting audits of companies that exhibit patterns of questionable reimbursement claims